Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can change your Instagram username. So what you have to do is you open up your Instagram app, log into your profile, and then from the downside, hidden profile, you're going to see two options. One is edit profile and the other is share profile. Hit on edit profile. You're going to see a bunch of options: name, username, pronouns, bio, links, and male or female, whatever the gender option is. All right. Now, what you have to do is hit on username, and there, delete the previous username that you had on your profile. Then you can, tap in your username that you want to select. Now, this is, as you can see, the username funfact16 is not available at the moment. You guys can also check this if the username that you are putting in is available. You're good to go. Otherwise, select the username that is, available. It's gonna again and again ask you the username for Invec16 is not available. Select the one which is available, and then head on this tick option on the top side. All right. So here, as you can see, my fun fact 165 is username is available. So I selected this one, and you guys can see my username is changed to fun fact 165. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. Have a good day. Peace.